Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can optimize your Windows 10 PC, because most of you guys are using your laptop more than often because we are doing work from home. So this may be the time to utilize this technique to optimize your PC. So there are some steps you have to follow, so stick to the video. Go to Task Manager, click on Startup and disable every unnecessary app. This is going to help you to boot your computer faster and help you to get more freedom in your system. The next step is to remove temporary files, which you can do by pressing Windows plus R key to open up the run command, open up the run center. Then you can search for temp, then click on OK, and then the file will open like this, and you have to Control A and Shift delete these files. Do this for current items and click on continue. Some of the files are not going to be deleted at once, so skip those files. Then you have to open it again, Windows plus R. Then you have to type percentage in the front and back of the temp and click on OK. Here you are going to get more temporary files, and then you have to delete these also. If you want to do the deep cleaning, then you can search in Cortana msconfig, msconfig. This window will open. You have to click on services, then you have to disable all the services which you think you are not using. You can hide all Microsoft app services so that you are not going to get trouble to disable any Windows app. The fourth step is to defragment your hard drives, which you can do by this search defragment of optimize your drive, and you have to click on optimize. Then it is going to optimize and analyze. You can analyze and optimize. If you want more response from your system, you just have to click on Cortana and search for colors. This will open theme manager, and you have to click on disable transparency effect. For the next step, we are going to do click on the your battery icon, click on the power options, or you can search for power option in Cortana and click on balanced mode, which is usually your system mode, which is pre-selected. Change plan setting, change advanced setting, and you have to go through the process power management. Minimum processor stage you should put at 0% for both battery and plugged in, and then for maximum processor stage you have to put on 100%. Click and apply and OK. If your laptop is overheating, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, because next video is on that topic. That's it from my side. I think this will help you to optimize your PC a little.